Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most dazzling pieces perfect for any concert or festive event, the Anna-Kaci women's sequin jacket bomber coat. If you're looking to channel that iconic glam of Elton John, this jacket could be your ultimate go-to. Let's explore what makes this piece so special. The Anna-Kaci sequin jacket is a vibrant expression of style, featuring an all-over sequin design that truly shines under the lights. Available in a striking blue color, this bomber-style jacket is designed to stand out, whether you're at a concert, a party, or just out on the town. It combines the sporty bomber look with a touch of sparkle, making it versatile enough for any occasion. One of the standout features of this jacket is its comfortable fit. With a full front zip closure and soft ribbed cuffs and collar, it ensures you feel good while looking fabulous. The lightweight fabric is perfect for layering and keeps you comfortable all day long. And thanks to its light lining, you won't have to worry about any irritating rubbing, just pure style and comfort. This jacket isn't just for concerts. Its versatile design makes it suitable for casual outings, costume parties, or special occasions. Pair it with a simple top and jeans for a chic look, or go all out with sequined bottoms for a truly festive vibe. The possibilities are endless. Plus, it's available in several colors, so you can find the perfect match for your unique style. Before you rush to add it to your cart, keep in mind that sizing can differ from standard measurements. It's essential to refer to the garment measurement chart provided by Anna-Kaci to ensure the best fit. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to reach out for guidance. Getting the perfect size can make all the difference. To wrap up, the Anna-Kaci women's sequin jacket bomber coat is an absolute must-have for anyone wanting to bring a touch of sparkle to their wardrobe. Whether you're channeling your inner Elton John or just looking to make a statement, this jacket delivers style, comfort, and versatility all in one. So, if you're ready to shine, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more stylish insights. Until next time, keep shining bright.